Hi, welcome to your channel Stress Free Yoga. I am Manju, a yoga therapist. So today I'm going to show you stretches that are going to help you relieve the pain in your spine. The spine means the neck, the upper back, the middle and the lower back. The stretches which I'm going to show you are really great as they help you flex, stretch your muscles, your joints, remove the tension from them and improve your mobility, increase your flexibility and relieve the pain which you are experiencing in your back. Now, some knowledge about the spine so that when you have a back pain, you come to know what is the problem and why is the pain happening there so that you can deal with that in a better way. Our spine is made up of small bones which are called vertebraes. Now this is the neck which is called the cervical. Cervical has C1 to C7, that is 7 vertebraes. Then comes the thoracic, which is the upper back. Thoracic is T1 to T12 and it has 12 vertebraes. Then comes the lumbar, which is the lower back. It has L1 to L5, that is 5 vertebraes. Then comes the sacrum, which is the pelvic area and it has 5 vertebraes. Then comes the tailbone, which is the Cocyx area and it has 4 vertebraes. Now in all, there are 33 vertebraes joined to each other, which is called the spinal column. The vertebraes are joined to each other with the help of a fluid, a cartilage which joins them and a ligament which supports them. So this spinal column is the support system of our body. The spinal column helps us to stay erect, stand upright, and at the same time it gives us flexibility for movement, which is any bending, the sideward bend, the front bending. So the spinal column is a very important part in our body. Why do you have a back pain? See our routines. Most of the people, they get up in the morning, have their tea, coffee, breakfast and just go to work. Take everyone, take a businessman, a businesswoman or anybody who's going to work, has field work also. Then comes back at home and has his dinner and goes to sleep. What we miss is the stretching part or the exercising part. And what happens is because of less movement in the body, the muscles and the joints in the body start stiffening and the movement in the body becomes less. So we start with back pain. Why do we have this pain? As the vertebrae may be compressed because the joints are tightened, are stiffened. Suppose, for example, the hip flexors are the hip movement. The joints are tightened and the lumbar area, the vertebrae are compressed. So we have severe back pain. Now take the cervical part where we have 7 vertebrae. Now when the shoulder joints are tightened, or the muscles have stiffened, or there is inharmony in the muscles, you see that you develop a cervical spondylosis. And when the nerves are compressed, there is sciatica problem or many other problems. There is also a posture problem, the wrong way of standing, the wrong way of sitting, the wrong way of sitting on the computer, or maybe you're sitting for a long time and working, and the wrong way of using your pillow. Other problem is, as I told you, the vertebrae are joined with a fluid. The fluid may lessen, or the vertebrae are also joined with a cartilage. The cartilage may wear out. If there's an injury in the ligament, then also you have a lot of back pain. These are the problems which we face and need to be taken care of. And if you have stress, then we have spasm in the back. And because of aging problem also, there is degeneration in the muscles, in the joints. So when we go for a checkup, we are asked for an X-ray. They literally let you know that it is C1, C2 or L1, L2. Now from this, at least you understand where you have a problem and in which vertebra you have a problem. Like and subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed the channel. So we start with the stretches which relieve your pain. The stretches are really great. They will stretch your full body, each muscle and each joint of your body. I'm sitting in Sukhasana, a seated posture. Palms relaxed on the top of my knees. Eyes closed. Whenever you start a workout, just relax yourself. We start with PARVATASANA. Hands by your side, palms facing the ceiling. Inhale, slowly rise up and join your palms in Namaste Mudra. Stretch your spine. This is a spinal stretch. Stretch each part of your vertebra and feel the stretch. Now a little backward bend. Be comfortable in the pose. Be very happy and comfortable. Come to the center. Exhaling, slowly turn your palms and come back. You can practice this asana at least 3 times. Parvat means a mountain pose, which gives you strength. This strengthens your muscles and your joints. We move to a cat and a cow pose. So palms relaxed on the top of your knees. Inhale and take your chin up. Make an arc of your spine. Take your back towards the tummy and stretch. And start changing the posture. Take the chin to the neck and take your tummy towards your back. Stretch your elbows and feel the stretch. We are curving our spine. So this is for your full back, the upper back, the middle, the lower back, the neck. Change. Inhale. Take your back towards the tummy and look up. Arch your back and feel the stretch. Change. Chin to the chest and abs towards the back. Elbows straight, a smile on your face. Feel the stretch. You will really feel nice after doing these stretches. Inhale, come to the center and just relax. We change to a small bending. Right hand by the side of your body, palm down on the floor. Take your left hand up and stretch on the left side. Now inhaling, bend towards the right. Don't collapse on the floor. Keep tight on your hips towards the mat and stretch your fingers. Exhaling, first come to the center with the support of your palm and slowly down. We start on the other side, the left palm by the side of your body and your right hand up. Stretch your hand up and bend on the left side. Just see that you bend your elbow which is parallel to the ground and your hand behind the ears, your hips on the floor and stretch. Feel the stretch on the right side of your back. Come to the center. Exhaling, come back. Every stretch you have to practice at least thrice, and even if you have time, you can practice the stretches twice a day. We move to a twisting pose. A very small twist. The right hand on the left knee and the full activity is on the left side. So right hand on the left knee, left hand behind. Inhale and get ready for the twist. So in the twist, your neck, your back, your shoulders are a part of the twist. Inhale, exhaling, twist to the left and look above your shoulder and gaze. Inhale, center, exhaling, change, switch. Your left hand on the right knee, right hand behind. Now the activity is totally on the right side. And all the parts, the neck, your chin, your shoulder, Your waist are the part of a twist. Now inhale, exhaling, slowly twist, taking all the parts with you and gaze above your shoulder and look behind. Inhaling, come to the center. This is a twisting pose which really helps you relieving your back pain. Now we lie down on the back. Take a little turn and lie down on your back. Try to be comfortable. Just see how you feel. You'll feel very nice. If there's any residual tension, just leave it on the mat. Just leave your tensions on the mat. Just see how you feel on your back. You'll feel a more lot relaxed after these stretches. Now we do a full body stretch, which will stretch your joints, your muscles. Palms by the side of your body, toes in the center. Inhaling, raise your hands up and your toes outside. Feel the stretch from the toes to the hands, back towards the mat. Adjust your body and feel the stretch. Breathe normally and stay in the stretch. Exhaling, slowly bring your hands to the center and toes to the center. So this was a stick pose which stretches each and every part of your body. It strengthens your muscles, your joints. So we go to the next pose, which is called HASTAPADA ANGUSTHASANA. Your hands by your side. Inhaling, take your right hand up. Exhaling, take your leg up. And feel a massage on your full back. Those who have severe pain can support your thighs and stretch. Inhaling, your hands down. Exhaling, your leg down. Inhale, your left hand up and your left leg up. If you need to support your thighs and be in the stretch. Feel a massage, a very nice massage on your back. You will feel the spine, your back lengthening. Inhale, keep your hands down. Exhaling, keep your feet down. So we go to this variation where we keep our hands by the side. We'll move with our right leg towards the right hand. First, inhale, exhaling. Slide your leg towards the right hand. And feel the stretch on your back. Inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, take your left leg towards the left hand and feel the stretch on your back. Inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, relaxing your hands by the side. Few deep inhales and exhales and just feel the stretch on your back. We start with PAWANMUKTASANA with the right leg. Inhaling, raise your right leg. Exhaling, bend it towards the abs. Hold your ankles and press it tight towards the abs. You will feel the back lengthening and massaging your back. Just feel the stretch on your back. Relax it and just take your palms towards the knees and feel the stretch. See, both the stretches are different. Inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, keep your leg down. We start with the left leg. Inhale, take your leg up about 12 to 15 inches. Exhaling, bend your knee, both your palms on the ankles and press your ankles towards the back. You will feel a nice pressure on the back which will relieve your pain as it gives a nice massage to your back. Move your palms upward towards the knees and press the knees towards your back. Feel the pressure on your back, a good massage on your back. Keep your hands down, inhaling. Bring your legs straight and keep it down. So this was PAWANMUKTASANA. which was massaging your back, which will relieve your back pain. We'll go to the next asana, which is called SUPTVAKRASANA. Bend your knees, both knees together, hands by your sides. Inhale. Exhaling, shift your knees to the right, bend your knees to the right and your chin to the left, looking at the fingers and pressing the knees towards the mat and feeling the stretch on your back. Stay here for a few seconds. Inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, twist to the left side. Your knees towards the left, on the mat, upon each other, foot upon foot, knee upon knee, your chin towards the right. Feel the stretch. This is going to strengthen your muscles, open up your joints. Feel the stretch on your back, which is going to relieve your back pain. Inhaling, come to the center. Exhaling, just straighten your feet and relax. I'll show you the next variation. Bend your knees and the little gap between your knees and your feet, or shoulder level gap between your feet. Hands by the side of your body. Inhale, exhaling, twist to the right, your neck towards the left. The left knee will be little up from your body and the right will be touching the mat. Inhaling, center. Exhaling, twist to the left. The right knee will be little up from the floor. Here is the stretching on your arms, your abs, your glutes, your hamstrings. Inhaling, center. Exhaling, relax. Bring your hands to the side of your body. Turn to your left side. Make a pillow of your hand. Feet straight, one upon another. Just relax in this posture for some time. Feel the relaxation on each and every part of your body. You have to relax at least for 5 minutes. This posture gives you relaxation and it improves your breathing, it improves your digestion, it removes your tensions and anxiety. After 5 minutes, take support of your hand and sit cross-legged. So if you follow these postures, they'll be really helpful to you in the way of relieving your pain. As I told you, the more you practice, the more effective results you will get in the way of strengthening your muscles, your joints, improving your flexibility, and you can practice these stretches and asanas once a day, twice a day, and each posture, even thrice, will be really beneficial to you. Thanks for following with me. Like and subscribe my channel. Watch the next video on a stress busting technique. Thanks a lot. God bless.